Recording in progress. Hello everyone. Today we will see how to configure Git to our repository, to local repository, and we will push the code to Git. So later we will see Jenkins integration and all. So we will discuss now how to push the code to Git. So I have one Cypress project. Uh, so this is my project where I store my project. C drive version 12. This is my project. Okay. So this is my project folder, Cypress 12. And just check. See, we have git bash here. And how we are going to push the code to Git. So this is my Git repository. So go here. So this is my username. And my repository is right. I can go and see my repository. So this is the one repository I'm maintaining for my project. Okay. And this is the repositories. So this is my repository name, automation QA Cypress V2. V12 is my repository name. Go here. And so whatever we are doing, just we are pushing the code to Git. Okay. Just copy this HTTPS path or the URL, paste here. So go to the local repository, open git bash from here. So this is our local repository. And from here, we will try to initialize uh, the our project. Okay. We'll try to initialize our project. Git init. I'm initializing this project. So once you start initializing, this is the empty project it is telling. So I'm telling git add. So you can you can add one file, right? Git add readme and dot md file. So here readme file is we don't have, right? Just provide git add. Okay. So we are not maintaining the path, right? Git add dot. So now it is. So previously I did not add any file name, right? So that's why it didn't taken. So dot means any file. It will commit as any file. Git add dot. So let it add it. It will take some time. Okay. Now it added, right? So these many files added now. So git commit. So -m. So just give the commit my first code or my first commit. You can add my first code or my first commit. I can maximize it. Okay, enter. So it committed all. So it committed all the code. So what and all we are moving, right? So the list it committed. Okay. Now git push. Just do git push. Okay, we are doing for the first time, right? So it is asking no configuration push destination. Okay. So it is telling we are pushing for the first time, right? Second time onwards, it will take directly git push. Just it is telling git remote add. Hmm? So git remote add git remote add name and the URL. Instead of name and the URL, add origin, give the path, give the URL. Just paste it. So once it is done, now try to git push. Git push. Git push hyphen u origin main. So source does not match. Okay. Git push hyphen set hyphen up- upstream origin master. So go here and check. So it is under a master branch. Let's get status and nothing to commit. Working quickly. Okay, it already uploaded. So go to here, Cypress to this repository. So branch is main. Go here, Cypress to status icons. git push. Okay, sign in with my browser. It's already signed in. Okay. So device login. So this is the problem. So now check git status. So nothing to commit, working on the clean. See, I hope you understood, guys. So what and I have done git initialization. I have done git add dot. So added all the selected all the things from this repository from this local folder. No, what and all need to select git add dot. After that, git commit -m. So I give some comment and git push. So when we are doing git push, so when we are doing git push, the problem I faced here is the authentication. First time we are creating, right? First time I am creating the repository I have created and I'm moving for the first time, right? So it is asking for the login to the GitHub. Means the initiation from the local repository we need to send to the GitHub, right? So there should be some connection, some interaction initiation. So we have made it from here. So now I can go here. Now we can check the repository. See the code commands it here. This is my first code, first branch of my code. Okay. You can go here and I can see Cypress. So enter in. Here you can see the test cases. Drag and drop. See, drag and drop login test. Drag and drop login test here. So this is how we will push the code to Git from local repository. Okay. So next session, no, I will tell you how to configure, how to run the test cases from the Jenkins. Okay. I hope this session is very helpful, guys. The challenge we have faced here and we resolved it. I hope this is very helpful for you guys. This tutorial is very helpful. Thank you.